You may think that I know too much, but no, it's never too much. Because when push comes to shove, girl, just trust I won't get sick of us. You myself.
Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I am making these healthy fudge brownies. I am starting off with 1 cup of sweet potato and 1 small avocado. You will not taste the avocado as long as you blend it up really well. But if you don't want the avocado, you can replace it with a banana. I just feel like the avocado is healthier. It's filled with lots of healthy fats to keep you nice and full. So that's just what I use, and then just make sure you blend it all up really well. I use my immersion blender to do that, and it's just so you don't bite into any avocado chunks once it's all cooked. So yeah, just blend that all up really well. Once you're done, you are going to add in 2 large eggs. You can also add 1/4 cup of maple syrup. I didn't. I was thinking about it, which is why you see my maple syrup just chilling on the countertop there. But I didn't want it to be too sweet, so I didn't add it. And then after that, I added 1 teaspoon of vanilla and stirred that all up till it was all nice and combined. That is all your wet ingredients. And then you are going to add a 1/2 cup of either cacao or cocoa powder. I used cacao and it tasted fine. I just didn't have any cocoa. And then you add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of coffee to bring out that chocolatey flavor. If you want it to taste like coffee, which I do sometimes, you can add in 1 tablespoon of coffee and that tastes delicious. But I just use a teaspoon, and then you mix that all up till it's nice and combined. And once it's all mixed together, I took a bread loaf pan. I couldn't find my other pan, lined with some aluminum, and I sprayed it with a little bit of avocado oil. And then you just pour in the mixture, make sure it's all nice and spread out. And then I topped it with a 1/4 cup of dark dairy-free stevia sweetened chocolate chips and a 1/4 cup of milk chocolate chips. They are also stevia sweetened. I use the Lily's brand. That's just what I always find at Albertsons and everywhere else that I shop. It's just the easiest one to find. But you can use cacao nibs or other stuff that's healthy, or you can omit them and just top it with nuts. And once you have it all set up, you just pop it into the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. About 30 minutes, sometimes 40 minutes, but don't push it too much. They are supposed to be fudgy, so they will be really soft when you take them out. It's just normal. And then when you take them out, just make sure you do wait about 15 to 20 minutes before cutting into them, because they are extremely fudgy and you will make a mess. So just wait and then cut into them and enjoy. I hope you guys like this recipe. Please like and comment anything else you would like to see, and please subscribe. Yeah, enjoy.
Because when push comes to